Hello, Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare and welcome to In the Raw with Joli. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a parsley pesto and alright, let us just begin. So we start with 2 cups of roughly chopped parsley and we stick that in our duvalaki. We add 1 clove of garlic. Now I dropped some, didn't I? Maybe not. Okay, to that we add a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and there's vegan options out there. And that's the beauty about this recipe, is that it's a vegan recipe, definitely vegetarian, and yeah, you just serve it with your favourite pasta. And to my surprise, the children like it too. Okay, so we're squeezing a lemon. These are my homegrown lemonade lemons. If you can see the skin, there we go. It's all bumpy and lumpy. It's not a pretty lemon, but gee, it tastes good. Okay, so lemon juice. In we go. Watch out for the seeds. Whoops, drop one in anyway. Did I? Typical. Alright, now the lemon helps to preserve, so does the olive oil. Now it's about 1/4 cup, but you're pretty much going to go in with whatever consistency you get to make a really yummy paste. So then we go on with our little Whizzy Whiz blender, stick blender, and off we go. So see how at the start it's really hard? We definitely need more oil. Come back here. Just to my dog. Back. Don't want him wandering off because he thinks I'm not looking. I am. So there we have it, parsley pesto. Now, let me get a spoon so you can sort of have a look at the consistency. You see it's quite thick, it's quite delectable, and as I said, you serve that with pasta. If you've made yourself, whoops, there it goes. If you've made yourself a lot, you can put them in these little jars, put them in the freezer, freeze it for when you're ready, and there you go. Basil parsley pesto, and now I shall clean up this huge mess I've made. Thank you very much for watching.